Oh, hi friends! I'm just playing with my cool car right here. I want to see if it's sink or float.
Poppy circle time!
Today we're going to learn about sink or float and why things sink and why things float. And I want to start off with my car. When something sinks, it's going to fall all the way to the bottom. But if it floats, it's going to sit right here on top of the water. So it's not going to go under. So we're going to start off with my car. Do you guys think it's going to sink all the way to the bottom? Or do you guys think it's going to float? Ooh, let's find out. Let's see. Here we go. Oh, the car sank. All right, let's try something else from my bucket here. Ooh, look at this. This is a fish. Do you guys think the fish is gonna sink all the way to the bottom, or do you guys think it's gonna float? Let's find out. Here we go. Oh, it's swimming. So the fish didn't sink, right? It's floating. It's floating all throughout the water. And sometimes it's gonna go under and then it's gonna come back up. That's a pretty neat fish. Ooh. How about this pot? I'll give you guys a hint. Things that float have a lot of air in it. So this pot has a lot of air. It's not filled with anything at all. So, do you guys think this pot is gonna sink? Or do you think it's gonna float? Let's find out. It's floating. It has nothing inside, so it has a lot of air inside. So it's floating. I have 2 spoons. Ooh, one is made of plastic and it's pretty light. And the other one is made of metal and it's a bit heavier. Which one do you guys think is gonna sink or float? Or do you guys think they're both gonna sink or are they both gonna float? We should probably find out. We are gonna put the plastic spoon in first. Let's see. It's floating. Do you guys think this is gonna float too? Let's find out. Oh look, our fish just swam under our spoon. Here we go. Oh, the spoon was much heavier than the water, so it sank. It fell all the way to the bottom. Ooh, an acorn, and it has a P. P for Poppy. Can you think of something else that starts with P? That is a tough letter, right? What about park, or playground, or pink? And purple also starts with P. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, look at these. There's purple. I wonder if these float. Let's see. They do float. What about this acorn? Do you guys think this acorn is gonna sink or do you think it's gonna float? Let's see. Oh, it turned upside down. Our acorn is floating. Whoa, look at this cool shell that was in my bin. I think this one is going to float. Let's see. I was right, it's floating, but what happens if we put water inside? Let's see. We're gonna fill it up with water because it has a hole, and now let's see if it still floats. Nope. It sank all the way to the bottom. But when it's empty and it doesn't have any water inside, it floats. Ooh, look at this. It's glue. Let's see if our glue sink or float. Whoa, it's floating. And it's pretty big, isn't it? And it has some weight to it, but it's lighter than the water, so it's floating. That is really neat. Ooh, look, something else that's purple. Doo-doo. Do you guys think this train is going to sink? Or do you guys think it's going to float? Let's see. Ooh, our train sank all the way to the bottom. Look at my magnifying glass. Ooh. It makes everything look so much bigger. Do you guys think this magnifying glass is going to sink all the way to the bottom? Or do you guys think it's going to float? Let's find out. Here we go. It's floating. The magnifying glass is floating in the water. That is so cool. What else do we have? Oh, a puppet. It's a butterfly. Let's see if it's going to sink or float. It's floating. Let's see. We have a lot of things that's floating, and we have a lot of things that sank all the way to the bottom. And then we have our fish that's just swimming around. Let's try one more. Look at this. Whoa. Let's see what it'll do when we put it in the water. It's floating. But I guess the real question is, why do things float? The answer is density. Can you say density? Density. Density is how packed an object is. So right here we have an apple and a rock. They're about the same size and they weigh about the same. But the rock has more stuff in it and it's packed really, really tight. So it's more dense, which means it will sink. The apple has less stuff in it and are farther apart from each other, which makes it less dense. Objects that are less dense than water will float. And that's density, which explains how things sink or float.